Hey guys, Diego Rodriguez here, and we finished up this rehab. And guys, I keep telling you, business credit. There's so many things you can do once you have money, right? And a lot of times, the thing that's holding us back is lack of money, right? So especially if you're an entrepreneur and you've got your own business, or even if you don't have a business yet, but you got a lot of ideas that you want to accomplish, I'm telling you, if you don't come from money, credit is your golden goose, right? So business credit is what's gonna give you enough leverage to accomplish anything you want. So in my situation, what I do is real estate, right? So I use my business credit to handle all those expenses, whether it be to purchase, closing costs, rehab costs, materials, dealing with contractors, all that, right? So at the end of the day, they say, a lot of gurus try to tell you, yeah, you could buy real estate with other people's money. Yes, it's true, you can. But you always got those little expenses or costs in order to purchase and rehab real estate. So what I do is I use other people's money or business credit, right? Whatever kind of business you have, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is that you want to do or accomplish, guys, it does not matter, right? All you need is a plan, and if you don't have money, then I'm telling you guys, take advantage of our BCB 30-day challenge, where I walk you through step by step from the beginning of establishing your business all the way through to applying and getting you over to $100,000 in business credit, guys. Sky's the limit. Anything you want to accomplish is possible once you know you've got that war chest is what I like to call it, right? Once you know you've got that, nothing can stop you, right? It's a mental thing, right? Once you know the steps you have to take, then all it is just implementing the steps. And day by day, you accomplish little steps and you move forward, right? So with that being said, guys, it's Diego Rodriguez. This is another one in the books. Take a look. I keep taking shots at the kitchen because at the end of the day, guys, once we sell a property, it's always gonna be most likely to a family, right? And who's the one that makes the decisions in the home, right? It's the wife. So always wanna make sure, industry tip, make that kitchen look good, right? So guys, it's Diego Rodriguez signing off, and at the end of the day, trust your gut, follow your heart, bet on yourself, and double down. Peace, we'll see you on the next one. Guys, take advantage of the BCB 30-day challenge. It's on sale right now.